towel holder. I'll also show you how to measure and determine what size leather straps to purchase before you get started.
The tools you'll need for this project are a drill or a screwdriver, a pencil, some sort of measuring device, your under cabinet paper towel kit that contains 2 1/2-inch brass screws, and a full roll of paper towel. Let's start by finding out what size leather straps to order. I'm going to measure from underneath the bottom of the cabinet to the middle of the paper towel roll. Now, I don't have a ton of room between my cabinets and countertops, so I went with 5 inches, but you could always go a little bit longer. Now let's determine where we're going to mount our screws. This dowel rod is exactly 15.5 inches long, but I'd like to keep about an inch of overhang on either side, so I'm going to mount my screws exactly 13 inches apart. Now let's measure and mark where we're going to mount each screw. This may vary depending on your cabinets and where you'd like your holder to be placed, but I'm measuring 3 inches back from the front of my cabinets and 3 inches from the side of the cabinet. Then I will mark my second placement 13 inches across from the first placement and 3 inches back to center it on the cabinet. Make sure to double check the thickness of your cabinet, keeping in mind your 1/2-inch brass screw will go through both pieces of leather before it gets to the cabinet, but we want to avoid any screws sticking up inside. Now you'll go ahead and use your drill or a screwdriver to pre-drill holes into our previously marked spots. Next, we'll take the front of the leather strap, place it over the back of the strap, take your 1/2-inch brass screw, insert it in through both pieces of leather, and now we'll use either our drill or screwdriver to mount this to the cabinet. Once you've got both of your straps hung nice and snug, go ahead and take your dowel rod, place it through the center of the paper towel holder, and slide it onto each of your straps. And here's the completed look.